Let's chase some turkeys into their new temporary pasture while I move their fence. Come on, everybody. Hey, your friends are going there. There you go. There you go. That's a nice bunch of turkeys. Go where your friends are going. Well, not that one friend. That one friend is not paying attention. And now they've got other friends with them. So now we gotta bring them back. Go on. Go on. Hey. Oh, hey, no. Come on. There you go. There you go. Everybody go this way. Come on now. Let's go, boys. There we go. There you go. That's how we do it. Yep. Even the one with the messed up foot has this figured out. There you go. That's a nice job, everybody. Now a guy can close up the temporary fence and move the big fence. Thank you.